All right, well, we got an empty bed back there. Took the toolbox out back there, took out the fifth wheel hitch, and well, Elam and I, we're on an adventure. Haha. But anyway, check it out. We're going to go get something pretty exciting. And well, something I said just a little bit ago on the Faith Family Cars podcast, something I said I was not gonna do with the GMC Longhorn. Well, we're about to do what I said I wasn't gonna do. And
at the next lights, turn left.
the GPS isn't happy that I skipped where it wanted me to go because I've got to go get some gas because, you know, oh, Thunder Thigh's here. She passes everything but the gas station, so we got to go to a gas station. So, Elam, are you excited about what we're going to get? Yeah. Are you excited about what we're going to go get?
Yeah.
Are you excited about what we're going to go get?
Yes.
Okay, well, his excitement's not that great, but he is excited, trust me. He is. Whoa, sunglasses went flying off. He is excited about what we're going to go get, and because he's ready to use what we're going to go get. So, all right, pulling in a gas station now. We'll be back at you in just a little while. Okay, well, my little buddy, the youngest, and I made it home last night with what we purchased. Couldn't film while we were out, while we were picking it up. Things were a little sketchy, right in the middle of nowhere. And, well, dually is now empty. There's nothing back there anymore, and the toolbox is back in place. But we picked up something for, well, it can be used in the dually, or it's going to be able to be used in the old, let's see here, in the GMC. All right, well, we picked up this mid-70s Honey truck bed camper. It is in pretty good shape. A few things we're going to have to do, but the decals are still there. The Honey RV company is no longer in business. They had a pretty cool logo, and it works out pretty good because it's part of my last name. So how sweet it is. And so this is the camper. We've got to clean it up a little bit. We've got to do some repairs, a few repairs on the outside. One thing I've already done is replace the vent cover there for the stove. Water tank's going to be replaced, so new water inlet there. The brown and the orange and gold will be changed to another color to match better with our trucks. You know, stuff like this is going to be replaced. It's in pretty good shape. There's just a few things we're going to do. I love the back of it. And again, we got the cool honey logo there. I saw that on the ad, in the picture on the ad, so I was like, well, it definitely has a toilet. So yeah, it does have a toilet. And then over to this side here, just love the look of this thing. All right, let's check out the inside. The flooring actually is in really good shape. Probably just gonna give that a good clean. Love the vintage look. It's original to the camper. We are missing a bunch of door latches, they're broken. So we're gonna have to replace those. Gonna do some rebuilding and fixing a little bit here. Not sure if the refrigerator works yet or not. It did have some water damage in it, and the leak has been fixed. And well, got a new countertop over here. Make new cushions, new covers for those. Bed up there. Yeah, I mean, it's an old camper. This is one cool thing that we didn't even realize when we got it. But you see this cabinet up here above the dinette. So we knew there was a bed here in the dinette. We did not know, however, but this cabinet folds down into another bed. So that's pretty cool. And so we'll be able to have a bed here, and a bed up here, and then a bigger bed up there. So, you know, we can take about 4 of us on a trip, which is pretty good. All those cabinet latches are still good. Some old water damage up there, old water damage over there. It'll all get repaired and fixed. All the windows are in great shape. No window is broken. The screens all are good. The cranks work. Well, the cranks work. Screens are there. So yeah, there's the throne room. It's got its own little window over there. And here, propane tank goes there. Propane tank works the refrigerator, stove, and furnace. Our electrical, fire extinguisher. The refrigerator is surprisingly clean, minus the one little dead bug in there, but it actually is in really, really good shape. The little latch up there to keep it closed while you're going down the road is still there. So yeah, I mean, we're excited about the possibilities of what this camper can do for us and what we can do with it and have fun. We definitely want to keep it vintage. We definitely want to keep the vintage look. We want it to look like it rolled right out of the 70s with the truck. And so yeah, I mean, we may go with some solid colored cushions, solid green, of course. If this stove works, we may paint it green, some avocado green on it. If it doesn't, we may just take it out and replace it with air fryer, toaster oven, and a hot plate, just because it's easy. And we've got to replace the countertop anyway, so the stove's got to come out. Yeah. So yeah, there's our new camper. Got a crazy good deal on it, and I've been looking for for a little over a month for one of these to pop up in good shape. My biggest thing was for the outside to be in good shape, and the windows are all be there. Inside wasn't that big a deal to me about being in good shape because, well, we can fix it. But these two are going to go together, and I'm excited about it. It will not hang off the back of this truck here too much, or shouldn't really hang off the back of the truck. Be able to take the tailgate off and go that way. The bed of this truck is 8.5 feet. The overall length of the bed part for that is, I believe, 8 feet 9 inches. And so it's going to be pretty cool, because I really didn't want an 10 or 11 foot camper. So we're excited about this thing. My youngest really wanted to go on a camping trip with Dad in the truck, and so that's why we were looking for this thing here, because I didn't really want to do tent camping. Wanted to be a little bit more comfortable, and want to bring back the heritage of the GMC here, since it is a custom camper, Longhorn Sierra Grande, which had a large camper in it. Had supports right there for the overhang, and so we're gonna put this thing in this truck. And well, the cool thing about it is we'll be able to use it in the dually as well. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We're excited about our new project back here, the camper, and it shouldn't take too long to get it going and using it. And actually, we may just take it for a maiden voyage to C10 Fall Revival, not camp in it, but just drive the truck there with the camper in it. May not have the inside finished, but the outside will be cleaned up and ready to roll, and color change will be done. So, well, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.